Today we are working on Lesson 9, Session 1, page 190. And we're learning about how to understand the meaning of the equal symbol and true and false equations. Here it says connect it. So just like we always do before, what you need to do is think about the equation and what is the equation going to ask you to do? What is the problem and how do we figure that out? Let's read what this says. Let's read it together. Put your finger here. Ready? Read. Draw pictures. Write equations. Tom had 7 beads, but lost 3. This time you're going to put your finger underneath it and read it while I read it, but you read it in your head. Tom had 7 beads, but lost 3. Okay, close your eyes and think about what is happening in the picture. Tom had 7 beads, but lost 3. So here it said draw pictures. So what should we draw? Yeah, 7 beads. So let's draw 7. Count with me. 1, 2. Remember, every time I write, you write. 3, 4, 5, new line. 6, 7. So Tom had 7 beads. Did he have more than 7 beads? No. Did he have 7 beads and get more? No, it said he lost 3. So what am I going to do? Right, I can take them away. That tells me that 7 has to be the whole. Here is 7. 7 is my whole, right? So if I were to draw a number bond, 7 is my whole. My parts are down here. And if they lost 3, what am I going to do? I'm going to take 3 of the whole away, right? 1, 2, 3. So 3 has to be a part. 3. So how many more do we need to get from 3 up to 7? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did I draw? 4. How many do I have here? 4. So solving it just the same way we've always done, okay? But we're showing how the equal symbol shows everything on this side is going to be equal to everything on this side of the equal sign, right? We have blank minus blank equals blank. When we have a minus, what is that? Whole minus a part equals a part. So our whole was 7. Our part is, that we knew, was 3. We know we can count on from the part we know up to the whole. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. Okay, so let's look at it in a different way. If we had 7 minus 3 equals 4. Right here, this is my balance, right? I want to know that everything on this side is going to equal everything on this side, right? So here's my equal sign. That means I have 4 here. So I'm going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? That was this side of the equal sign. And over here I have 7 minus 3. So if I start with 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, and I take 3 away, 1, 2, 3, how many am I left with? I'm left with 4. Is 4 equal to 4? Is 4 the same as 4? Yes, that means that this is a true equation. Okay, so let's move on to the second part of the problem. Here it says, D had 6 beads. I'm going to cover that up with this. D had, D had 6 beads, but lost 2. Think about it. D had 6 beads, but lost 2. Did she have 6 beads and more? Did she have 6 beads and stay the same? Or did she have 6 beads and have 2 go away? D had 6 beads but lost 2. Draw a picture of what you think this might be. Go ahead and then come back to the video. Okay, D had 6 beads, right. She started with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6. She lost 2. That means 2 are what? Going to go away. So what is my whole? Right, that's what we started with. Our whole was 6. And 2 went away. So we have whole minus a part equals the part, right? So if 2 went away, how many are left? What's the other part going to be? 4, right? Here's a blank minus. Whole minus a part equals a part. Say it again. A whole minus a part equals a part. So if we started with 6 and 2 went away, we want to know that everything on this side is equal to everything on this side. Well, we already solved the problem. 6 take away 2 is what? Right? 6 take away 2, 1, 2. How many do we have left? 4, right? Well, we can put it like on our scale, right? So here's my scale. If I have 6 minus 2, I said the answer was 4. And if I have 4 on this side, is my scale balanced? Is it the same on both sides? Or is it like this? Or is it like this? Right? It's the same. Do Tom and D each have the same amount of beads now? Yes, they do. Because 2 went away here and 4 were left and 4 were over here.